Imagine having your own personal tour guide. A guide that will take you around the world. A world full of beauty, culture, wonder, mysteries, adventure, passion, love and peace. Gtbn will take you there. Gtbn is a tourism channel that takes you on a journey around the world, giving you an unparalleled experience anytime, anywhere you want to go. A journey that will take you to all those places you've always wanted to go to, and those places you never thought of going. We'll show you your favorite foods created in different ways by different cultures, and introduce you to mouth-watering delicacies that you never imagined. We'll enlighten you to what you can expect and look forward to when you finally decide to go on that journey. From the fashion, to the cars, to the languages, and to the way they party. Gtbn. All this and so much more right here on Gtbn. What better way to see the world than with your own personal global tour guide? Gtbn, your tour guide to the world.